If Telegram is showing a login error 400, don't worry, this is usually a simple connection or data issue. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step. We'll go through the most effective methods to get Telegram working again, whether you're using Telegram web, desktop, or trying to log in on your phone. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, if you're using Telegram web, start by clearing your browser's cookies and cache completely. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with the login request and trigger a 400 error. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and remove all cache data and cookies related to Telegram, or clear everything if needed. Then close the browser, reopen it, and try logging in again. If you're using the Telegram desktop app, the issue may be stored inside the app itself. In that case, log out completely if possible, then close Telegram fully. If the problem continues, uninstall the app and reinstall it fresh. This removes bad temporary files and resets any corrupted local data that may be causing the error. Once that's done, launch Telegram again and test the login process. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Telegram can sometimes reject login requests if the network data is altered or routed through a connection that looks suspicious. A VPN or custom proxy can corrupt the packets sent to Telegram servers, which may lead to a 400 bad request. Disable the VPN, turn off any proxy settings in your device or app, and then try logging in again on your normal connection. After that, double check your country code and phone number. This part is easy to overlook, but even a small formatting mistake can stop the login request from going through properly. Make sure you select the correct country code from the drop-down menu, then enter your phone number carefully without extra zeros, spaces, or symbols. If you copied the number from somewhere else, retype it manually to make sure it is clean and accurate. If Telegram still won't let you in, switch your network or device. Sometimes the issue is not Telegram itself, but the internet connection or IP address you're using. Try logging in from a different device, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. This can help if your current network is blocking or interfering with the login request. If possible, try using a completely different phone or browser just to confirm whether the issue is tied to the device or the network. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem quickly and you'll be able to log back into Telegram without any trouble. So to recap, clear your browser or app data, turn off VPN or proxy settings, verify your country code and phone number, and switch networks or devices if needed. Those are the main steps to fix Telegram login error 400. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Telegram troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.